Hello, little chefs. Today we're going to do Alla Diavola butter, which we're going to serve with roasted potatoes. The ingredients we're going to need for this recipe is potatoes, butter, smoked paprika, cayenne peppers, pepper, salt, Tabasco, and peperoncinis. So the first step for this recipe is we're going to roast our potatoes. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take our butter, which is room temperature, and we're going to take all of our ingredients, we're going to put it together, and we're going to fold it. Stop. Cook your potatoes in on the oven for 6 minutes, then put it in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. Hello, little chefs. Today we're going to do a steak, which is going to go with our potatoes. Here's our steak and the ingredients which we're going to put on our steak. For our seasoning, the ingredients are going to be 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of garlic, 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes, 4 tablespoons of black pepper, and 4 tablespoons of onion. We're buttering the steaks so that the spices stick to it. We're going to take our spices and we're going to put it on the steak and we're going to stick it in. We're going to adjust our barbecue so that its temperature is going to be between 350 and 400 degrees Fahrenheit. To know how cooked your meat is, you're going to put your thumb to your index, then you're going to touch right here, and this is how the meat is going to feel. You shouldn't push hard, you should only touch it. So if it's here, it's rare. Here, it's medium rare. here is well done, and here is overdone. See, perfectly done. This is all for today, foodies. I hope you had fun in the kitchen, and I hope to see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.